Natalie, are you so super excited about your new stroller? Edelyn, are you excited to take a walk? We're gonna take turns. Everyone's gonna get a try in your new stroller. Are you so super excited? Absol, would you like to try first for the walk? Would you like to try it first? Look at how cute you are. Are you ready to go outside? See the world? Look at him.
He likes it.
He loves it. Well, I don't know if he loves it, but he does not hate it. We're just gonna do a lap around the block with each kitty and see how they do.
Here he is.
Absol. It's Edelyn's turn. You can't even see her in there.
She's
there. She is. What do you think? This is so exciting. I feel like a mom with like a toddler or something.
Yeah.
Baby's first walk. Who needs kids? We have cats.
It's all their first walk.
Nada's turn. She seems a little unsure so far. I'm surprised. You usually like car rides and stuff, like in your carrier. She'll warm up to it. Yeah? Is this very exciting? Nade is not happy, so we're only gonna walk half a lap with her. She rates it a 2 out of 10. Not her favorite thing. She's a little upset. We got
This
Felix.
time we got Felix. Say hi, Felix.
Hi, Felix. He just woke up from a nap, so he doesn't know what he wants yet.
Yeah.
But he seems to like not mind it so far. He seems calm, cool, and collected.
He hasn't complained.
Sorry, buddy. Rocks. It's Leela time, finally. She seems okay. She's our most skittish cat, so I was expecting her to like it the least, but she seems like she's vibing, but hesitant.
Yes.
I think she's one that would probably really learn to enjoy this after, like, I don't know, a few rounds of it. She seems pretty good. She's just relaxing. She's the first one so far that's just laid down and just kind of enjoyed it. Everyone else kind of sat up the whole time. What do you think, Leela? You look very cute and beautiful. Strollers was a 10 out of 10 cuteness. Love that. We'll probably try to take them just a couple times a week and just kind of gauge who's the most interested, who isn't. We might buy a second one if, I don't know, if multiple of them enjoy it a lot. I'm interested in the cat backpacks and stuff like that. So we'll just see. I got this one off Amazon. It was pretty affordable, and I'll link it down for you if you are interested in a stroller for your kitties as well. Just got my nails done. Look how pretty. It just like shifts and changes so much depending on if you're in the direct light or not. This is the crystal shade from that What's That Beauty one that I got last week in the last vlog. It's very, very cute. Oh, look who's ready for a walk now. Miss, I wanted to be grumpy yesterday during the walk. Do you want to go on a walk now? I figured I'd just take the stroller out and let them kind of sit in it and mess with it and smell it today while I'm just at home working until we go on our walk later. It looks like somebody wants to give it a second try. I also wanted to show you this stuff that Salon Cosmetics sent me. They came out with like a Dexter collection, which is perfect timing since I've been rewatching it. These stickers, so cute. Love them. So there's this liquid lipstick in the shade Ritual. Such a beautiful color. There's this highlight. It's in the shade Angel. Looks like that. It's super, super sparkly. And then this is the Dark Passenger palette. Such pretty colors. I'm excited to try this out. I think I'm going to film an Instagram video / TikTok with this as soon as I can. They also were super kind and sent me another sponge because I loved it. And they sent me another set of the Redfield lashes because I love them so much. So that was super sweet. Very excited to try these out. This is their first eyeshadow palette ever, so I'm really pumped. And the shade names are so cute. Bay Harbor, Routine, Dress Code, Miami, Family, The Code, Darkly Dex, Deb, Seeing Red, The Blood Guy, Blood Slides, and Innocence. Super exciting. We actually just finished season 3 again last night. It's been really fun rewatching it because we haven't watched it in like a decade, so it's been cool. So we're gonna start season 4 tonight, and I'm gonna play with that real soon. Hello, Edelyn. Do you want to say hello? Look at her feet. Oh, what a little angel. Hello, today has kind of just been like a self-care morning. Are you playing with your ball? Are you playing with your ball? She chased after it. I just went on like a nice like jog walk, mostly a walk this morning. I wasn't really in the mood to go for a run. Oh my gosh, she's going nuts with that ball now. Do you have your ball? And then I just took a nice shower and a nice long bath and read a book. I styled my hair because I didn't style it yesterday. I just washed it and let it do its thing. And then I played with one of my Gainesville beauty liners that I bought last week in last vlog. This is the Magic Forest one. It's one of the duochromes. It goes from like green to pink. It's so cute. I didn't really put on much makeup aside from that. I have a little bit of concealer, brows, and my Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. I'm not really going anywhere today, but I did just feel like playing. And I do have my first bikini wax today, or Brazilian, I don't know what it's considered. The wax girl I'm going to calls it the bald eagle. And it's just waxing everything off. I'm a little nervous. I was a lot more terrified weeks ago. In my whole life, I've always sworn I would never do this because it's not even the pain that scares me. It's just the exposure that makes me nervous because I'm gonna be all front and center for her to deal with. But I've been wanting to do it for a little while now. I heard someone on a podcast just like raving about how much she loves getting like a bikini wax and how she just loves not having to shave, and I hate having to shave and I get razor bumps, and I figured, you know what? Let me just give it a shot. So that's what I'm doing today. So I took an extra long shower, probably the longest shower of my life, to get myself nice and exfoliated and get the hairs all softened. I'm nervous, but I'm really excited. One of my best friends, Christy, used to be a waxer actually, so she was able to refer me to somebody that's in my town that she knows and used to work with, and she was able to help kind of, I don't know, make me feel comfortable about it. At the end of the day, like, waxers see people all the time, and like, it really doesn't mean anything. So I'm just trying to relax, calm my brain. I go in about 2 hours, I'm gonna leave. So I'll update on how it goes. I'll update on my experience and just like, I don't know, if the nervousness went away or how bad the pain was. I'm truly not scared of the pain. Like, I know it's gonna hurt, but it's gonna be so quick and I'm not really worried about it. So yeah, little fun adventure today. But yeah, I kind of wanted to play with makeup just for myself, but I also didn't want to walk in there looking like a troll, and I am gonna be wearing a mask, so you'll only see this part of me. So yeah, I just wanted to try to look nice and presentable, and yeah, hopefully it'll go okay. I might eventually like even start getting my armpits waxed. My hesitation with that is I don't want to have to wait like 2 to 3 weeks of not shaving for them to grow long enough, because I shave my armpits like almost every day. Like, I just hit them up with a razor like every day or every 2 days. So that'd be a very weird habit to break. If you've ever done that, like gone from like being a shaver all the time to transitioning to waxing, let me know how it went for you. That's my adventure for today. I'm gonna just relax for a little bit and eat some lunch in a little bit and then head off to the wax. Hello, I'm back from my wax. It was such a just like easy experience. She was just so sweet, and she was just so good at just talking and being informative and kind of keeping you distracted, but also keeping you like where you needed to be. She was really good at reminding me to take deep breaths, because it's easy to accidentally just start holding your breath. Yeah, it doesn't like feel good, but it definitely didn't hurt like as bad as I feel like I would have expected. Certain spots are more tender than others, and it's very kind of weird and vulnerable just being exposed like that, but she just made it seem so second nature, which I'm sure that's how it just is because they wax people for a living. But it was a wonderful experience, and I will be going back next time I need to go back. She told me I should come back in 4 weeks, so that is what I'm gonna do. She also recommended I buy this exfoliating washcloth. Technically, she wanted me to buy the mitt specifically from Earth Therapeutics, but Ulta was sold out of the mitt. So I bought the washcloth. It has the exact same texture, so I think it'll be fine. And I also ordered the Dr. Bronner's tea tree soak. She wants me to use that to exfoliate with like twice a week after I've healed for a couple days. So that was my experience. 10 out of 10 so far. I'm very happy, and from what I understand, it's just gonna be like smooth sailing from here, literally. So if you've been debating it, maybe this is your sign to try it out. I also swung by the UPS store and picked up a couple packages. First is from St. Angel's Sinners. I'm pretty sure this is actually the subscriber gift that Justine sent me All of the cats are using the scratchers right now. But look how cute it is outside of the envelope. Like the cute touches, I can't take it. But yeah, this was a subscriber gift, I'm pretty sure, from Justine. Justine, if you watch this, thank you. This is the, what is this called? Swim Team palette. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is so cute. Oh, I live for that. I'll play with that soon. I plan on doing a video on my channel soon, just kind of swatching and playing with all of the St. Angel Center stuff I've gotten recently. So just stay tuned for that. I did just upload a get ready with me using one of the palettes in conjunction with my look. That'll have already been up for probably a week by the time this vlog goes up, but yeah. I also got a package from Base Blue. I have literally no idea what this is. They send me packages on occasion, and sometimes they're like a cute addition to my collection, and sometimes it's just not my cup of tea. So let's see what this is. This is the Flower eyeshadow and blush palette. Looks like that. It is really pretty. We have a mixture of mattes and shimmers. The three in the middle are the mattes and everything else is a shimmer. It's cute. I don't know if I need it though. This is one I'll just keep untouched for now. I will just keep it like near my makeup desk, and if enough time passes and I still just haven't like found the time to use it or prioritize it, I will give it to a friend. But if I do use it, then I'll use it, and I will use it probably in an Instagram video if I get around to it. So that was my little makeup haul. For the rest of the day, I think I'm just gonna take it easy, relax a little bit. I actually don't have any work to do. I've caught up on all of my editing, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna veg out for the rest of the afternoon, and then Zane and I will eat dinner later. So yeah, I guess I'll just catch you later. Hello. Wow, let's not look at my face. I've had a mask on at work all day. I did film this look this morning though. It'll already be up on Instagram and TikTok by the time this vlog goes up. But yeah, I just got home and Zane said we got a package at the UPS store from our friends out in Colorado. Well, it's more Zane's friends. It's his D&D group, but I'm like friends by association. But they sent us a housewarming present. It's back there on the counter. He told me not to look until he gets home because he wanted to see my reaction. So figured I'd do a little gift unboxing on camera once he gets back. He went across the street to get Chinese food for dinner. Oh, he's home. He's home with the food. Thank you for picking up the food.
You're welcome.
I'm not looking at the presents, I swear. Keeping a blind eye. Well, unrelated, my friend Kayla accidentally ordered 2 Willow pillows. So she gave me the extra one. It's very cute.
It's so
I love
cute.
it. I think I'll put this in the guest room. That'll work. There are many things stacked right now.
Well,
Okay, what should I look at first?
we got a card. It says, "Hope your new home is spooky," and they all signed it. It says, "Because that would be cool."
That's so cute. Oh, look how cute the card is. This is so sweet.
So the first present, which I think,
This is such cool timing too, because literally 1 year ago today was the night before we got the lease.
yeah,
Like or not the lease, no lease anymore. Got the contract signed.
there was more of these. I think the cats must have got into it early. Cat toys.
That's so cute.
probably
This one looks
something
like
on the
Edelin
floor.
and this one looks like Felix. That's funny if they like stole some early. Edelin, you wanna play? You guys wanna play?
Like, where we played with those. We
Okay,
got
what's next?
a spoon rest.
Nice.
We just bought a spoon rest.
Yeah, but that one's kind of dinky. This one
this
has
one looks
like
big and
a good dip.
yeah.
That's,
So that's
really
cool.
nice.
These cute coasters.
They're
Like,
really cute.
Is that not your
Look at
perfect?
them. These are perfect.
We got a handbook for the recently deceased. It feels gross.
What is it?
It seems accurate. Like a decoration.
Like a fake book.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
It feels dusty, like it's actually old.
It does feel dusty,
I
but
feel
it's like
like-
literally not dusty.
We got these spooky
Cute.
utensils.
Halloween spoons. Look at them. They got witches. This one has a ghost. They're so cute. I'll keep those just out on the counter,
Yeah.
I think.
Let's keep them on the
Because
counter.
the jar is really cute.
I got some dice. This one I love. It's cat. Look at that. They're little cats on it. And then these ones are like clear resin. Ooh, look at that focusing. Love this camera.
I love how you said that and then it unfocused.
Yeah, of course. Well, I was moving it around. Well, that's really nice. I love those.
I'm trying not to look at the counter.
We got 2 candles, fairy dust and mermaid tails.
Ooh.
I didn't smell them, but now I do.
Ooh, mermaid tails is good.
This one's good.
That'd be really good in the bathroom. This one's fairy dust.
Ooh,
Ooh, I like fairy dust. It kind of smells like a jam. Like kind of fruity,
And
but not
then-
citrusy.
The last one, Trisha said I would know which one is for you specifically, is this.
It's cute. Is this a purse?
Yeah, it's the Vixen.
Oh my gosh, it's SS Georgie. Trisha, this is so nice. It has a little you'll float too.
Oh, that's cute. I just took the
I
plastic
love
off. I didn't open
this.
it up,
It's so cute.
but I knew you'd like it.
That's so nice. I'm gonna cry. I love this handbook too.
I
It's
know.
so cute.
It's all good stuff. Like,
Oh, that was sweet.
it's great.
Thanks, guys. If any of you
Thank
watch
you.
this,
See this?
I'm so excited.
A D&D group
Yeah, I
Far
told them it was
away.
from your Colorado D&D friends.
turns into this. If your D&D group ain't like this, get a new one.
Well, I guess let's clean this up and then eat some food.
Eat some food. I'm hungry.
I doubt I'll vlog anymore tonight just because there's nothing going on. I guess we might go on a walk in a little bit. We took Edelin for another walk the other day. That went okay. We took Absol yesterday and that went great. Like he didn't even
was very
say
happy.
anything. He was just vibing.
Edelin wasn't so happy after a while, but Absol loves it.
I think Edelin just got a little nervous.
Or maybe hot. We
Yeah,
aren't
maybe
sure.
hot.
One of the two.
We'll take one of the other ones today probably. Maybe Felix, or maybe we'll try Kanade
Oh.
again. Oh, Absol's playing with the toy. He's playing with his toy. Look at that. Got him red-handed. Look at that good boy. He's a very good boy. He's handsome and dapper and so orange. He's having a really good walk. Tattoo is done.
Yeah.
My eyelash is kind of falling off, so if it looks wonky, it's because I was laying on my side, my eye was watering, so it's all over now. But I love it. I love that it's complete. It's full and cute. I love the grayscale floral just kind of surrounding everything. I think it made it look really nice. And I'm very content to have my thigh just completed. It looks so good. I'm going back in July for my next tattoo. I'm just getting something small though, but I'm very excited about it because it's potentially the start of something more. Or it'll end up just being a standalone thing, we shall see. But we're on the way home now. We're just gonna go home and eat dinner. Maybe take the kitties on a walk if we are feeling up to it, but we've been here like all day. We've been here for like, what time is it even now? 7? We got here at 1, so been here for like 6 hours, so might just hang out and watch more Dexter because we finished season 4 yesterday. Now we're on season 5, so that's the plan. That's all I have to say. Oh wow, I'm looking my absolute best right now. I just wanted to close out this vlog because I'm just working on editing today. I'm off and I'm just doing a bunch of YouTube work. I'm just working on editing today, so I figured I would finish up this vlog so I could get it edited and prepped for tomorrow. Thank you so much for hanging out and sticking around. As always, I love my little vlog community. It's always so fun. If you made it to the end of this vlog, why don't you leave me some flower emoji since I got a bunch of florals tattooed? And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.